Peace, beautiful beings. So you might be wondering where I am standing right now. More to come soon, because we are in a new trusted house sitter's home for an entire month. So exciting, and I will be talking a little bit more about that. But today I just wanted to show you what we got from the grocery store and possibly show a little dinner time. I will start off by saying this is not the most zero waste haul there ever was. I totally recognize that a lot of these ingredients are packaged in plastic, unfortunately, but we have to do what we have to do at the moment, and this grocery store is very affordable and has what we need. So forgive all of the wasteful packaging. Here we have organic tomatoes, this huge thing of blueberries for $7, limes, garlic powder and cumin, because those are the two things that we've just recently run out of, some bananas, 2 kombuchas, a yellow watermelon. This is some cherry chocolate chip ice cream that we are planning on making oatmeal chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches with. This is just something that is like a celebration food for us today, so this is not usually what happens. This is some milk, popcorn with olive oil, because all their delicious popcorns are made with canola oil and I just can't do it. Sweet potatoes, some kale, more greens, sprouted grain. This is flourless bread. It's sprouted grain bread, sesame bread. And then we have some organic sprouted tofu, seaweed snack. There's another tofu here, the high protein. I wanted to try 2 different kinds. And here we have some green beans, frozen blueberries, frozen peas, frozen mango, wild rice, 3 things of sprouted quinoa, nutritional yeast, some chickpeas, some, Matt likes his peanut butter and jellies. We have peanut butter already. Some medjool dates, and I think that is it. That is today's haul. And the reason why we didn't get much fruit and produce is because they left tons of stuff for us to eat while they are away. We have a full watermelon in the garage, and mangoes and strawberries, frozen strawberries, zucchinis, like tons of stuff they left here, peppers. So we didn't go too hard on the produce. We just got this sort of stuff. And we're gonna eat up all the stuff they left. Whether it's organic or not, we are not about waste. We are not about being wasteful. So yeah, this is something different. This is something that you all are not used to seeing from me in a haul, or at least recently. I haven't been eating much tofu, you know, mock meats, mock cheeses, things like that, or grains really, but I am now starting to incorporate those back into my diet. So things are gonna change. You're gonna start seeing different meals, but we'll see how it goes because I love experimentation. So see you later for some food. Y'all, something is happening.
What's going on? It's a phenomenon.
Something has happened, okay?
I think we discovered new science.
Here's my feet. Don't say nothing about my tan line on my toes, all right? 156.7. And now, you.
That's what happens when you eat the same thing, half and half, every day.
I'm not sure if I should be worried or if Matt should be worried, but I think it's hilarious. I can't believe we weigh the same. I don't even know what to think about that. Like, how did that happen? No, it means I've probably gained weight and Matt's lost weight. That's what it is. That's exactly what it is. The family that we're house sitting for left this romaine, so I'm gonna chop it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of this kale. This kale is like pretty hardcore, so I like to chop it really small. Some of my favorites, just regular spinach and mixed greens. I'm gonna do some onions. the avocado that I was gonna use was mostly done with its life. So you could only salvage a little bit. There it is, folks. Don't try this at home. Use a fresh avocado. We got some organic chickpeas. Yes, they are in a can, unfortunately. In the hummus, we are going to add half a lemon juice, Himalayan salt, cayenne pepper. I don't have any fresh garlic, so garlic powder. Ooh, it's kind of a lot. A little bit of cumin. Usually I would add tahini here, but we don't have any tahini, and some people add oil to their hummus, but I'm trying to deal with less oil in my diet lately, so there will be no oil in this hummus recipe. This is making sort of a watery hummus, which is fine because I want to use it as my dressing. That's why I put so much lemon juice in it, and that's why I didn't really squeeze out so much of the aquafaba, which is the liquid that's in the can, because I like it to be a little juicy. If I'm making hummus to dip vegetables or crackers in, then I will try to make it really chunky. So now we have peppers, tomatoes, avocado, delicious hummus dressing. Last ingredient is my latest favorite, Go Raw. Y'all know I'm obsessed with Go Raw. And they have these zesty pizza ones, which I had never tried before. They are absolutely delicious, and I've been putting them on everything. So they are going to be our salad topper, like so. Topping it off with their sprouted pumpkin seeds. There you have it, folks. Got all my vitamins and minerals and proteins in this beautiful rainbow salad.